So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing guys, you all know, make sure you subscribe. If you are new to the channel and you don't say subscribe, click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend right here on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, know your trend. The second, you need to trade with each trend. And when you take a look at this, your Swiss franc JPY, it is very clear that Swiss franc JPY is on a ranging market move, right? Although the main trend, the overall movement, right, on our Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move. This is it right here. This is the overall trend and the overall movement. It is in an uptrend move. Market is trending to the upside. Very clear. But when you zoom it in right here, you see that market literally rallied up to tap the resistance, right? And when it got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance and just to tap our support. It also came to tap our support, rejected from the support and then rallied up to tap our resistance. When it got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance and just to tap our support. It also rejected from the support, came back to tap our resistance. Rejected from the resistance and just to tap our support. Now, if you take a look at this, this is a candlestick sticking out, right? That is an indication of market has rejected, which is currently doing. Now it is now rejected from the support level and it is now pushing up to the resistance zone. So this is to tell you that in bullish move, right, is what you should be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame right here. This is a multiple rejection zone, which you can take this to be the support zone right here. So this is the support zone, the rejection zone now. A push up is what you should be expecting. Bounce up, that is what you should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. Right, if in case there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update on you guys to also subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.